shrimp and crab cakes because I had a little bit of stuffing left over. Nothing crazy. It better be. I don't know. Oh, grab the cupcakes off that table. I got my little shrimp and crab cakes. Nah, my homegirl Julie bakes and creates. And that's all. They asked for macaroni, lamb chops and honey butter salmon, and I had a couple extra some stuffing left, so I made the couple little cakes. And then we always got something with a sweet treat if we can. What happened? Your stomach hurt?
No.
Oh. But damn, you ain't eat shit yet. Hold up now.
You want me to do this? I was pissing.
Whatever you want to do.
I thought you was going to say something. Never mind.
Oh, no.
That looked like a Mikey in here.
No. Well, I am mic'd up, though.
Oh, my God.
Sorry. We ain't here to do no weird shit, though. Just for the business.
But they all be saying.
What you over here whispering? Hold up now. Y'all acting like I'm just playing. I'm joking. No, I don't be. I come in peace. I just want y'all to eat good and put on for the city. That's it. Thank you for the opportunity. I hope you guys enjoy. Of course.